Hey guys, as we all know that in a CPU a processor is used which is used to process our whole system. So today I am going to tell you about the different processors, and whenever we go to buy a laptop or a desktop, the people ask us that we want an Intel based or AMD based laptop or desktop. So today I am going to be comparing Intel and AMD processors. So come on, let's start. Guys, first I will be comparing Intel processor. So let's start with its performance. It has good performance, and we can say that it is very profitable to us. As I will share my own experience with you, I have a 20 years old P4, that is Pentium 4 processors desktop, and still now it's working very nicely and very smoothly. So as you can see, its performance is very good. Guys, let's come to its price point. Its price are comparatively very less and they are very cheap except Intel Core i9 because it is a latest and high-end processor. But if we go to i5 processor or i7 processors, they are comparatively really very cheap. So I recommend the Intel processor. So guys, let's come to its heat issue. It hits really very less. I will not say that it never hits. It hits but in limit. So it's a good thing for us. So guys, let's come to its power consumption. It consumes very less power, and it is also a power saving processor. Let's come to its main point, that is lifespan. So lifespan is very important, and as I shared with you, I have my own Pentium 4 desktop which I am using past 20 years, but still now it is working really very smoothly. So we can say that Intel processors survive for long time. So guys, let's start with our AMD processors comparison. Our first point will be its performance. So its performance is average, which can be good for our daily uses but not for the heavy tasks. So guys, let's come to its price point. These AMD processors are very costly compared to Intel processors, which is not a good thing. So guys, let's come to its heat issue. This processor heats a lot. So it's not good for our desktop also, and it's not good for the processor also. So I don't recommend AMD processors due to its heat issue. Let's come to its power consumption point. It has also one more drawback, that is its power consumption. It consumes more power than it's needed, and it is comparatively more power consuming processor than Intel. So it's not good thing. So guys, let's come to its lifespan. In this, both the processors are the winners because both the processors give good performance for a long time. That is AMD processors and Intel processors. So it's a very good thing. Guys, I highly recommend you the Intel processors as they are really good and cheap in price. And AMD processors have some more drawbacks. So I don't recommend you AMD processors and they are really very costly. So thank you, please like, share and subscribe.